Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from Lessification and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. How many personal care items do you use to look your best every day? Things like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face wash, shaving cream, body lotion, face moisturizer, sunscreen, toothpaste, makeup remover, lip balm, aftershave. The list goes on and on. It's safe to say that we all have an overwhelming number of personal hygiene items that we use every day. And trying to pack all those items on your trip, man, that just takes up a lot of space in your bag. But there is a way to consolidate many of your toiletries while traveling, allowing you to keep your daily routine while reducing the number of items that you need to pack. So this is today's tip. Use multifunctional products. I like to call these items Swiss Army knife products because one thing does many. And these 2-in-1 products are great because they make everything about traveling with toiletries easier. You'll have less to pack and fewer items to search for when getting ready, saving you space and time each morning and night. It is a win-win. Instead of bringing shampoo and conditioner, choose one that does both. Or a face moisturizer with SPF, so it doubles as your sunscreen. Or rather than bringing makeup remover, skin moisturizer, lip balm, shaving cream, or a hair defrizzer, just bring coconut oil. It works great for all of these things. And finally, a product that virtually does it all. Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 soap can be used as shampoo, face wash, body wash, makeup remover, shaving cream, laundry detergent, toothpaste, and more. And I know it seems bizarre, but it actually works really well and even smells great too. And so far, personally, I've used it as shampoo, body wash, shaving cream, laundry detergent, and toothpaste. And yes, it totally tastes like soap. So besides for using it as toothpaste, I totally recommend it. This is why Swiss Army knife products are such a terrific thing while traveling. Because their multifunctionality allows you to pack way less, which makes getting ready so much easier. And I am all about that. And if you're curious to know where the best places to buy some of these multifunctional products that I mentioned in this video, check the links in the description where I have my favorites. Okay, so that was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button now, and you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday that'll help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. I'm Luigi from Lessification. Happy trails.